Hi guys, Pharmacist Geek here. This is a quick video for pre-regs just starting out. I know a lot of you will be starting your pre-reg placements either already, some of you might have started, or very soon. So here's my advice and my number one top tip to get the most out of your pre-reg. So let me say this to you. This isn't advice from, some random wasteman pharmacist, some random guy on the street. Like in Oreo, I scored high. During pre-reg, I interviewed as one of the highest and was offered a job afterwards. Received multiple awards during my pre-reg, including was a pre-reg of the year winner. To top it all off, got 90% in my GPHC exam. But why am I telling you this? Well, despite everything I achieved during my pre-reg year, my university life was very different. I wasn't achieving very high, I didn't have the motivation to want to do well, and I was forgetting why I chose to do pharmacy in the first place. And unfortunately, it always reflected in my grades at uni. Luckily, I achieved a decent grade in the end, and got a place for pre-reg. But I was still disappointed in myself because I knew if I actually worked hard, I could achieve a lot better. So I think what changed for me right after I graduated and before pre-reg even started was, to be honest, my mindset. And that's one of the top tips I have for you. A lot of people after graduating thought, great, it's a good time to relax. 4 years of hard work, we can chill now. But no, this isn't a time to mess about and neglect and delay their revision. Whereas if anything, this is the most important time to work hard because it determines how good of a pharmacist you become. From day one, I had the mindset that I wanted to be the best and do the best and make my tutor proud. So through this mindset, I set my own standards. I had a clear vision of what I wanted to achieve in the year and set my own goals. And through this, everything else just fell into place. I actually wanted to study, I wanted to learn, and it almost became my hobby. I didn't think of studying as actually doing work. And that would be my advice to anyone struggling or starting out. Put yourself in a mindset which will allow you to achieve what you want to achieve and don't lose that motivation throughout the year. But anyway, if you've got any questions or anything like that, leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and you can always hook me up on Twitter, so that's @GeekPharmacist. Peace.